Good morning, everyone, and welcome to live trade videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We are looking at GBPUSD, so let's get to it as fast as possible. So, from my chart, you can clearly see that GBPUSD is on a downtrend. I'm working with the 1 hour and the 15 minutes time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see that my RSI is clearly up, it's clearly below 50, and then once the RSI is below 50, you're looking out for sells. Once the RSI is above 50, you're looking out for buys. So it's below 50, we're on a downtrend. Price has been going up, went up. Now price has gone down, even below this moving average. There's been a retracement, and price is looking as if it's coming back down. At this point, so we are on a downtrend, and we are looking out for sales. Okay. Now you use 1 hour to identify the trend, and then you use your 15 minutes time frame to identify your entry points, right? So what I want to do on the 15 minutes is basically for me to wait for this present candle to close below this price level. If this present candle can break this support level and close below it, that will also coincide with this stochastic RSI crossing. This stochastic RSI is going to be crossing like this. The blue one will cross the red one on this manner, then. But you don't have to. We'll just make sure that this candle, closes below this particular price level. If this candle can close below this price level, then you are looking out for that sell, right? You can see the price level I'm talking about. You can see price level. This is price level 1.20206. So if this bearish candle can break below this price level and close below it, you wait for the next candle to form. Once the next candle forms, you wait a bit. Once you start seeing bearish pressure, once after the next candle has formed. So let's say, what I mean is, this candle now comes and then closes below and closes, right? On the next candle that forms, you want to wait a bit because the candle might be bouncing. Then once you start seeing it pushing down, you enter, so that you enter early. Once you start seeing red, because you see green showing that the price is going up, like this red now, for example, that is showing presently, is showing you that there is kind of bearish pressure, right? Once you start seeing that, once after this candle ends and you start seeing that bearish pressure as well on the next candle, then you want to enter in on that sell and ride it all the way to this verified support. Okay, so my preference for GBP USD is definitely what is a sell. No, I don't want to say definitely, but my preference for GBP USD is a sell, right? So if once price breaks here and then closes below, you want to go in for a sell here. Now, alternatively, for the buy, if price can break above this trend line, that will also, if price breaks above this trend line, you see that this RSI will go up like this, and then this one will also go up like this. The red one will also go up, something like this. But my preference, like I said, I really want to be giving just one preference. But ideally, if you want to buy, the ideal place to buy will probably be around this region here. The ideal place to buy will probably be around this region here. You can still buy above this high here, because if you go to your 15 minutes time frame, it's likely that when price breaks, if a bearish candle can break above this trend line and above this moving average and finish above it, you can enter. But you don't have the moving average on your system. You don't have this setup on your. For those of you that don't have the setup on your system, you'll be working with this line, this this resistance figure, this price level here, this resistance price of 1.20497. So if a bullish candle can break above it and close above it on 15 minutes, then on the next candle you want to be, looking to buy. Once you see bullish pressure, meaning once you see a bullish candle pushing up, then you're looking to enter what, a buy during that period. Do you understand? So that's basically um, um, my thoughts for GBP USD today. And then we'll have to check your Forex factory for fundamentals. You want to check your Forex factory for fundamentals by 2:15 p.m. By 2:15 p.m. we have the ADP non-farm employment change, so that might affect. We have a high impact news coming up by 2:15 p.m. today, so that might actually affect the direction. But technically, looking at it the way it is right now, at least before 2:15 p.m., if it is going technically, it should, once it breaks below this price level of 1.20206, then we should expect it to go down to this verified support. Ideally, for the buy, you expect that once it is able to break above this trend line, above this moving average, and close above the two of them, then you want to take a buy on the next candle, but you don't have the moving average on your system, so you might not be able to do that. So instead you should work with this weak resistance price here. So once it breaks it on the next candle, you wait to see if there's bullish pressure and then you enter the trade. So that is my take on GBP USD.